welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to add or change background in Zoom application. So for that, what you need to do is first open the Zoom app on your Google browser. So click open new tab, and there I'm going to go to the Zoom official web page. Tap on zoom.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page where you need to get logged in into the account first. So click on sign in on the top right corner of your screen. Click that. Once you do that, you need to get logged in. So you need to provide the account credential. That is, you need to provide the email address and then type in the password. Then click on sign in. Now once you have been logged in, you need to first host a meeting for you to have this option of changing background. So click on host on the top right over here. Click that. You can start a meeting with the video on or video off option. For this tutorial, you need to go with the video on. Click on video on. Once you do that, you will need to open the Zoom application on your laptop or in your PC. Click on open Zoom meeting. There's the Zoom application. It will take few time to connect with the Zoom meeting. So there you can see your Zoom audio has been started. So for you to add or change background, what you need to do over here is you need to go to the video section over here and click on the upward menu. There you will have the option of choosing a virtual background or to choose a video filter. If you choose a virtual background, you click that and you will have the option to change the background. That is, if you have a green screen or if you do not have one, you will have the option to change it to the virtual background. For that, you will need to have a green screen. Your device requires a green screen to support image, virtual background and does not support video background. So if you do not have that, you can click on I don't have a green screen, which will give you the option to choose out the video filter. If you do not have your very own video filter, you can go to the studio effect, click that. This will give you the option to make changes to your eyebrows, and the other options are below. This is a one way how you can change or add video background. Similarly, you can also make some other changes, like I'm just gonna end this meeting over here. You get signed in into the account by providing the account credential of yours. I have just shown you how you can make changes on your video while you are at the meeting. You can do this beforehand as well. For that, you click on setting icon over here on the top right. This will give you this option, and from this setting, you choose background and effect. Click that. Now in the background of effect, you will have all these options. Virtual background, video filter, avatar. You can choose from here. If you click that, you will have a different virtual background. If you click on video filter, you will be able to change the filter of your video grid right away. You can do this before you start your Zoom meeting as well. So this is a way how you can add or change the background of Zoom. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.